Peach. Today we will discuss about the names of different vegetables. Vegetables A to Z. Part 2. I for
Italian parsley. Italian Italian parsley.
J for Japanese eggplant. Japanese eggplant. Japanese eggplant. K for kale. 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 L for lettuce. 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 M for mushroom. 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 N for Napa cabbage. Napa-cabbage. Napa cabbage. O for onion. 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 P for the vegetable pea. Pea. Q for quinoa leaves. Quinoa. Quinoa leaves. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of vegetables. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.